Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to search for someone on the Onlyfans application in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so here we are on the login and sign up page. So if you don't have an account, do well to create an account. But if you do have an account, you have multiple ways of logging in. First, you can log in by putting in your email and password, and then you have the option of using Twitter and signing up with Google, or you have the option of using passwordless sign-in, but you actually have to set this option up in your account. That is not what we will be doing today, so I'll just use my Google account to sign up to log in. Alright, so like I said in this video, I will be going over how to search for a user on the OnlyFans application, and it's really a straightforward process. All you have to do is go over to the search bar over here and just click on it and type the name of the user you want to search for, and you will see a bunch of results depending on how many users have that particular name in their username. So it just depends on that. And you can also search for a user via their ID or username if you have their username already. All you have to do is just type it out and you will definitely see the name pop up right there. So yeah, that is something you can do, and it will of course help. Right, so when you search for the user, you can click on the profile and you see you will see details about the person's account and most of their activities. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. If this video did give you some insight on how to go about looking for a user on the OnlyFans application, then do well to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to this channel for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in another video.